In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add watermark to online Word document. I will open a blank document to show you. Now download and copy any watermark picture. Now double click on this header area. You will see this table. Select it and remove. Now Control V to paste your picture. Right click on your picture and wrap text and select behind text. Now click in your document area. Now paste your text or start your text like this. Thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you.